Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Joy and you're welcome to my channel. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So today's video is all about this powerful Ayurveda, and this is called Moringa. So Moringa is a popular Ayurvedic remedy in hair care, and it contains lots of vitamins and nutritional value to our hair and our scalp that will also help enhance hair growth. Right now I'm measuring my Moringa into my glass jar. Of course you need a glass jar, and so I'm measuring my Moringa into my glass jar. I think it's about 3 tablespoonfuls. You can do with whatever quantity that you need, and then I'm going to go in with my olive oil. If you've been watching my video, olive oil is my staple oil, and because of its penetrating factor, it's very moisturizing to the hair. That is why I love using olive oil. So I add my olive oil into my Moringa, and I'm going to use my spoon to stir this up properly so that I have a well blended mixture. So I also went ahead to add more olive oil. So guys, this is strictly dependent on you. It depends on the quantity that you actually want to make. So I'm going to stir this up, and then I'm going to cover this. I'll be leaving this for about an hour or so, depending on how long I feel led to. So I'm going to be doing the double boiler method of placing this mixture into a bowl of boiled water, just so as to get the ingredients, the Moringa, well and properly infused into my oil. So right here, after doing the double boiler method, I left it for I think about 2 hours. So now my Moringa is ready and well infused into my oil. So you want to stir it up again so as to get everything together. So I'm going to be straining this Moringa oil. Moringa contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C and E, and one interesting fact is that the vitamin A in Moringa helps with the stimulation of sebum. Sebum is a natural oil that comes out from our scalp, and it helps with nourishing our scalp. Moringa is also a source of iron, which allows blood flow to the scalp. It also has amino acids and omega-3 fatty acid. If you don't know guys, omega-3 fatty acid helps to nourish your hair and also promotes blood circulation. I'm going to add some essential oil like peppermint oil. It's practically the only essential oil that I use because it helps with blood circulation. When you use peppermint oil to massage your scalp, it's wonderful. It works like magic. And this is it guys, this is what it looks like. You can use it as an hot oil treatment to prepoo your hair. You can use it to moisturize your hair. I have a video on how to moisturize your hair. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. So guys, I'm going to transfer my Moringa oil into my applicator bottle, and this is it guys. So guys, Moringa also has its health benefits. So you can be taken orally as a tea. Yes, you can take it as a tea, but I for one, I don't like taking Moringa as a tea. So these are one of the ways that I can use it on my hair, but you can take it as a tea. It's very good for the body. It has lots and lots of health benefits. So that will be all for today's video. Please leave me a comment below and Let me know if you use Moringa Oil and how it has been helpful to you, or what you notice about it. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.